Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the Khloe Kardashian bob wave hairstyle. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. I started off with placing my wig on my canvas head. So I'll go in and then make a C curve. So I'm trying to make the C curve really pronounced. Then after that, I'll go in with my wax stick. The wax stick is from Glitzenshaw. So I'm going to leave a link to their Instagram in the description below. So in order to achieve the style correctly, I'm going to chop off the tip of this hair. They're not really even, so I'm just going to use my clipper to like take off the ends so it can be really blunt before I start. So I'm going to apply my argan oil on the hair. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my Tresemme heat control. Then after that, I'm going to spray in my styling foam. The styling foam is from Glitz and Shell, the same people I got the wax from. Then after that, I'm going to just work everything into the hair. So now I'm going to do a brief brushing with my hot comb. Initially, I'm supposed to do this with my straightener, but because of time, it's better to do with your hot comb. So I'm just going in with the hot comb to make sure everything is smooth before I can now start curling. So guys, I'll also be working with my control paints. Then up next, I'm going to like section the hair into bits, take out the first chunk and get my ultra hold spray. I love to use the ultra hold spray because it's actually a curl retainer. I used it in my last video. I used it in all of my videos. So, and it's really affordable. So I'm going to spray from the roots to where I have my hand because I don't want to extend it to the tips because I'm not curling it to the tips. So I'm going to walk my comb through it and then get my curler and curl it. So I just wanted to pay attention to the way I'm curling. I'm actually going inwardly, so but I'm not doing to the tip. So after folding or rolling everything into my curler, I'm going to hold on for a while to allow the hair cook before I now take out the curler and then use my control pin to hold it down. So guys, for the third one, I'm going to do the same thing, spray and comb it. Then after that, instead of coiling inwardly, I'm going to curl like upward so we can have a dangling curl. So moving on to the side, I'm going to section the hair and take out a little as seen in the video and then spray it. Then after that, I'm going to like curl inwardly. And remember guys, for the Khloekardashian curls, we're not reaching the tip of the hair, so we're just going to stop this way. So I'm trying a new technique. So I'm just going to fold the hair and, let it fall. And let's see if it's going to give us what we're actually looking for. So now I'm just going to section the hair into two and now start curling. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So now I'm going to get my control pin and then use it to lift the front, just as seen in this video. And after that, I'm going to get my John Frieda spray and then set the hair. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.